Introduction. Welcome back to Bike Expert, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. Today, we're diving into the details of one of the most talked about SUVs of 2025, the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara 2025. With a refreshed design, enhanced safety features, and strong hybrid tech, this model has created quite a buzz in the Indian auto market. Let's explore what makes this Grand Vitara a grand success. Exterior design, bold and modern. The 2025 Grand Vitara gets a more aggressive and refined design update. The front grille now features a more prominent chrome finish with sleek LED DRLs integrated seamlessly. The SUV maintains its muscular stance with sculpted lines, new alloy wheel designs, and improved aerodynamics. Whether you're in city traffic or on a highway, this SUV stands out with style. Interior, comfort meets technology. Step inside, and you'll notice a cabin that combines elegance with tech. The dashboard layout remains familiar but now gets subtle upgrades in quality and finish. Premium upholstery, soft touch materials, and ambient lighting add to the comfort. The centerpiece is a 9-inch SmartPlay Pro Plus infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paired with a 360-degree camera for easy parking. Performance, petrol and hybrid powertrains. The 2025 Grand Vitara continues to offer two powertrains, a 1.5L mild hybrid petrol and a 1.5L strong hybrid. The strong hybrid, sourced from Toyota, delivers excellent fuel efficiency of up to 27.97 km per liter, making it one of the most economical SUVs in its class. Whether you're a city commuter or a long-distance driver, the Grand Vitara adapts to your driving needs with smooth transmission and refined handling. Safety, a major upgrade. One of the biggest highlights of the new Grand Vitara is the standard inclusion of 6 airbags across all variants. This major safety upgrade puts it ahead of many competitors in the segment. Additional safety features include ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, hill hold assist, ISOFIX child seat mounts, and a tire pressure monitoring system, all designed to give you peace of mind on the road. New variant, Delta Plus Strong Hybrid. Maruti Suzuki has introduced a new variant, the Delta Plus Strong Hybrid, priced at 16.99 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom. This makes hybrid tech more accessible to a wider range of customers without compromising on features. It sits between the entry-level and top-end models, offering a perfect balance of performance, efficiency, and value. Price and variance. The 2025 Grand Vitara is priced from 11.42 Indian rupees lakh to 20.09 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, offering multiple trims and drivetrain options. With so many choices, buyers can find the right fit based on their budget and preferences, whether it's for style, tech, performance, or fuel economy. Final